Hey everyone, hope you're all well, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of project management and collaboration tools. More specifically, we're going to talk about Trello. Trello has been a go-to favorite for many of us, but sometimes it's great to explore options that might better suit our needs. So whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a small team, or a part of a large organization, we've got some fantastic Trello alternatives lined up for you. But before we jump into this exciting journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest insights on boosting your productivity and efficiency. So let's get right into it. So starting off, what actually is Trello? Trello is a visual collaboration tool that allows you to organize your projects into boards. So in one glance, Trello tells you exactly what's being worked on, who's working on what, and where something is in a process. Trello boards are made up of lists, and lists are made up of cards. Each card represents tasks or anything or ideas or anything that you need to kind of track. You can add labels, due dates, comments, and attachments to cards to keep all of your information organized in one place. It's a really flexible tool and it can be used for a variety of projects, including software development, marketing campaigns, event planning, customer support, and personal task management as well. Trello is a great way to collaborate with others. You can assign cards to team members, leave comments, and see who is working on what at a glance. So, for example, a software development team can use Trello to track the process of a new feature from ideation to deployment. Marketing team can use Trello to plan and execute a marketing campaign, from creating content to tracking social media engagement. An individual can use Trello to manage their personal to-do list or plan a vacation. And a customer support team can use Trello to track and manage customer tickets, etc. So no matter what kind of project you're working on, Trello can actually help you be more organized and collaborative. So what kind of businesses can Trello actually help? Trello can help businesses of all sizes and industries. It's particularly a good fit for businesses that need to manage multiple projects simultaneously, collaborate with team members who are not in the same location, or track the progress of tasks over time. So for example, software development companies can use Trello to track the progress of software development projects from ideation to deployment. Trello can be used to plan and execute marketing campaigns, from creating content to tracking social media engagement. Trello can be used to organize all of the tasks involved in planning a conference, from booking the venue to sending out invitations. It can also be used to track and manage customer tickets. It can be used to track the progress of design projects, from brainstorming concepts to creating final deliveries. And it can even be used to manage multiple client projects, track deadlines, and stay organized by freelancers. So in general, it's quite vast, and Trello can help any business that needs to manage tasks, projects, or workflows more efficiently and effectively. Spotify uses Trello to track the development of new features and bug fixes. Coca-Cola uses Trello to manage its marketing campaigns, and General Electric also uses Trello to manage its research and development projects as well. These are just a few examples of the many businesses that are using Trello to improve their productivity and collaboration. So if you're looking for a way to manage your projects more effectively, Trello is a really great option to consider. So there are lots of benefits to using Trello, including the fact that it's really easy to use, it's really flexible, so it can be used for a variety of projects, big or small. It's quite collaborative, so Trello makes it quite easy to work on projects with other members, even if they're not in the same location. And it's affordable, so Trello does have a free plan that's perfect for small teams and individuals as well. Trello can help your business to be more productive because it provides a visual and organized way to track tasks and projects. It makes it easy for teams to collaborate on projects. It can also help businesses to reduce their workload by automating tasks and workflows. And Trello can provide better businesses with a clearer overview of the status of all their projects and tasks. And Trello can help businesses to improve customer satisfaction by providing a way to track and resolve customer issues more efficiently. Overall, Trello is really powerful, it's versatile, and it can help businesses of all sizes to improve their productivity, collaboration, and overall efficiency. If you're considering using Trello for your business, I encourage you to sign up for a free trial and give it a try. You might even be surprised at how much it can help you to improve your workflow and achieve your goals as well. And while Trello is a great tool for managing projects and tools, it does have some drawbacks. So for example, some people have said there's limited features. While it's a simple tool to use, it may not have all the features that some businesses need. So for example, it doesn't have inbuilt time tracking or Gantt charts, which is quite common in a lot of other project management tools like Teamwork or Zoho. Trello can be great for small teams. It might not be as effective for large teams or complex projects. Trello integrates with a variety of third-party tools, but this can lead to compatibility issues and added costs. Trello's visual nature can sometimes lead to information overload, making it difficult for team members to identify and focus on high-priority tasks. Trello requires an internet connection all the time to use, and it can be a problem if you need to access your projects while you're offline. Trello boards are highly customizable, but there are some limitations. For example, you can't change the layout of the cards on a board, and it can be a bit slow and unresponsive at times, especially when working with large boards or many users. It's a great tool for managing projects and tasks, but it's important to be aware of its drawbacks before you start using it. If you need a tool with more features or scalability, you may want to consider a different option. So now let's talk about some other project management platforms that are available. So as mentioned before, while Trello is a great tool, there are some platforms out there that can offer a little bit more or offer different things that Trello can. So one alternative is Asana. So Asana is a really popular project management platform that offers a variety of features, including task management, project tracking, and collaboration tools. Asana is a good option for businesses of all sizes and industries as well. Asana offers a variety of features, including task management, project tracking, so it allows you to track the progress of your projects as well. Also, it has a lot of collaboration features as well, so it means that you can work in a big team or other tasks that other people are responsible for, and leave comments, feedbacks, and share files. It also offers a wide range of reporting options as well. It can be used by teams of all sizes and industries. It's a good option for businesses that need a simple and easy to use work management platform, as well as businesses that need a more powerful and customizable solution. Some benefits of using Asana is that it's quite easy to use, it's quite flexible, it has collaboration features and reporting. Asana offer a free plan for teams up to 15 users, and the free plan includes all of the essential features of Asana. Paid plans start at about $10.99 users per month as of now, and paid plans will include additional features like adding custom fields, advanced reporting, and integration tools as well. If you're looking for a cloud-based work management platform that's easy to use, flexible, and collaborative, Asana is a really great option to consider. Very versatile and can be used to manage a variety of tasks and projects. It's a good option for teams of all sizes and industries as well. So next up is Zoho. Zoho is a multinational technology company that specializes in cloud-based business software and web applications. So Zoho offers a wide range of products, including customer relationship management, so like CRMs, project management, accounting, human resources, and is used by over 75 million users worldwide. Zoho is known for its affordable pricing and its a comprehensive suite of products, and its commitment to customer support. Zoho also offers a free trial for its products, so you can try them before you buy them. The main benefits of Zoho include affordability, very affordable, especially compared to other cloud-based business software providers. And Zoho also offers a wide range of products, so it's quite comprehensive. You can find everything that you need to run your business in one place. Zoho is committed to providing excellent customer support, and they do offer a free trial as well for all of its products, so you can try them before you actually buy them. Some of the more popular Zoho products right now is the CRM, and it helps businesses manage their customer relationships. The Projects is the project management software that's a good alternative to Trello, and it helps businesses to manage their projects as well. Zoho Books is an accounting software. It helps businesses to manage their finances. And as you can see from the projects, they've got sort of this Kanban system. They've also got Gantt charts as well, something that Trello doesn't offer. Zoho also offers a variety of other products like Zoho Mail, Zoho Forms, Creator. You can use Zoho website to learn more about Zoho's products and services as well, but it's a really good option for users as well. If Zoho offers a variety of pricing options for its products depending on the product and the features that you need. Zoho also offer a free trial so you can try them. If you're looking for a cloud-based business software that's affordable, comprehensive, and supported by excellent customer service, Zoho is a great option to consider. So when you're choosing a project management platform, there's a number of factors to consider. For things like the features, so what features are most important to you? Some common project management features include task management, project tracking, collaboration tools, and reporting. You want to consider the ease of use. It's important to choose a platform that's really user-friendly and easy to learn, especially if you have team members with varying levels of technical expertise, which is why it's really important also to see if the project management tool includes a free trial so that you can test it out before actually committing to a paid plan. You want to check how flexible the platform is. Can it be customized to meet your specific needs? Is it important to choose a platform that can grow with you and adapt your business changing needs as well? Does the platform integrate with other tools that you use? This might be a nice thing to have, but it can be important for streamlining your workflow and improving efficiency. How scalable is the platform? Can it handle a large number of users and projects? Is it important to choose a platform that scale as your business grows? You want to consider the level of support that you'll get. Does it offer good customer support? And you also want to consider the reputation. What do users say about it? It's important to choose a platform that's well regarded and has a good track record. Once you have considered all these factors, you can start to narrow them down and choose a project management platform that's good for you. Get input from your team, start with a free trial, read reviews, and always compare the features and pricing as well. Choosing the right project management platform can be a daunting task, but it's important to take the time to choose the right platform for your team and your needs. By considering the factors above and getting input from your team, you can choose a platform that will help you to manage your projects more effectively and efficiently. And that wraps up our exploration of these fantastic Trello alternatives. I hope you find this video helpful in discovering new tools to enhance your project management and collaboration efforts. If you enjoyed today's video, please give us a thumbs up and consider sharing this video as well. Don't forget to comment down below with your thoughts, questions, or any other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with our latest tips, tricks, and reviews to supercharge your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay up to date with your best productivity tools.